Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan generals. How are you all doing today? I hope you're feeling good. I hope you're feeling irie because we have another mini picker card for you today. Yes, darlings. Yes, honey. In today's mini picker card, we have three piles. Okay. Well, they haven't been selected yet. Okay. We're gonna see whatever wants to come out, and we're gonna explore what's the gossip on you. Okay, so we have pile one, pile two, pile three. Go to that number that's calling you as we gather these juicy intuitive gems and see what's in store for you, what intuitive mail is in store for you. So let's get into it. One guarantee, T-Sippers, one guarantee, T-Sippers, one guarantee. Welcome, T-Sippers, yeah. Right, so I hope you've picked your pile, okay? We have pile one, pile two, and pile three. So go to that number that's calling you. And if you are new here, welcome. Big up yourselves, okay? Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Come and join the Love and Light family. And for our subscribers, big up every time. One love to you all, okay? So let's get straight into it, okay? So, pile one or pile two or pile three. We'll see you on the other side, okay? And wagwan. Wagwan people, wagwan tea sippers, wagwan generals. So we are on pile one, okay? Phones are popping off and everything. So this tells us, okay, there is a lot of juicy messages coming through. What is the gossip on you? Okay, so let's just bring in a good energy into the read. Thank you, universe. Thank you, spirit guides. Thank you, guardian angels. Thank you, ancestors, for the messages we're about to receive today. May the messages resonate with the collective so they can use these messages to strengthen their own intuition and use their discernment every time. So, okay, if you are new here, welcome. We are exploring what is the gossip on you. Okay, to our subscribers, big up. Okay, please like and subscribe to Wagwan, Tara, and T. So let's have a look and see what is the gossip on you. For the collective who chose pile one, what is the gossip on you? We have this energy. The Five of Pentacles in reverse has popped up. Okay, so there could be some kind of gossip going on, trying to wonder what you're doing. I feel like there could also be people around you who are like guessing. Perhaps there's like a very much a mysterious energy about you. I feel like there's also could be some possibly some kind of jealousy energy. So just to be mindful of that. I feel like it's also given the energy of tell what how much you want to tell. Okay, I feel like there's a strong energy of don't give all of your information away, because there's an energy of like watching and trying to make the next move before you do. Okay, perhaps there could be you could be working in a competitive field. Okay, for some of you, I feel like it's also just be mindful. We are in that time of the year, where people do like to um be very extravagant. But I feel like there could be lots of things coming ahead for you, okay? But it's also just be mindful of your circumstances and your situations, okay? It could also be a somebody, okay, in a love message. It could also be someone who wants to come back and return, okay? Look what we have here. We have the Hierophant. Yes, so perhaps uh, um, there could be some messages here of perhaps you might be taking an interest to learn something, to do something new. Okay, perhaps seek guidance. Perhaps for some of you, there might be some kind of process or something that you may be taking up next. Okay, or people can be trying to inquire about what what you're doing. Okay, there could also be, if this is a love message, this could also be someone who wants to seek commitment or talk about commitment and marriage with you. Okay. And we have the five, sorry, yes, we have the four of pentacles. So the four pentacles and the five of pentacles. So there's definitely an energy here. Five and four. Okay, think of the nine of pentacles that represents the figure that is that independence energy. Okay, I feel like there's an energy here of to be mindful of your spending, be mindful of how much you give away. Okay, in terms of, if let's say you're working on a particular project, I feel like the messages say, you know and let's look at the four of pentacles coming out here as well. It's just to be mindful of how much you share. But I feel like there's also the gossip is, okay, that there could be some kind of eyes that are wondering, they could be seeing that as it's falling on pile one, that you have some new opportunities coming your way, or they're wondering, okay, perhaps you are that person that always has something going on. Okay, so just be mindful of that. Now we have quite a few trying to pop through in the middle. The temperance, I feel like the temperance, and we did see, look, oh, we have the sun and we saw the page of pentacles. So there's definitely an energy of feeling like there could be lots of new possibilities for you, perhaps a new career, new job, okay, promotion of some sort. Okay, so again, that message came through about competition. Okay, just, you focus, set your goals, set your aspiration, set your intention, and let that run. Now again, back to love, because I feel like the temperance is coming back and it's trying to give us a love message. There is somebody that does want to make amends with you. Now again, trust your intuition, use your discernment. Okay, but I feel like this person does want to come in peace. Okay, we're bringing the energy of the sun with them. Okay, so perhaps it could be someone that you know from your childhood. It could be like a love interest from your past, okay, that wants to return and perhaps wants to share, okay, with you. Now let's just have a quick look and see what's this energy here. We do have the devil that's also trying to pop through. So I feel like the devil could be also trying to just say, be mindful of any toxic or any kind of energies that are not in line with where you want to go. We are now approaching a new year. Can you believe it? The year is almost ended. And I feel like there's an energy of saying, set your intentions now of what it is that you want to do for the next year and beyond. So you're not carrying any things that are not aligned, any things that you're not feeling, anything you're just thinking, this is not this is not sitting well with my spirit. Okay, to be mindful with that. And I feel like that's where the Hierophant and the Temperance is saying, perhaps if there could be an energy of you wanting to start a new career, a new job, a new opportunities, there are lots of opportunities here for you. Okay, so now that we've looked at the tarot, let's see what's here. Yes, the Seven of Swords. So I feel like with the Seven of Swords, it's that energy of, perhaps move in silence. If you've got something going on and you're still working on it, just move in silence. You ain't gotta tell nobody, okay? You ain't gotta tell nobody, okay? So let's have a look now. What's the gossip on you? Jamaican proverb for the collective who chose pile one. I hope you have a nice cup of tea. I'm sipping on some peppermint tea today. What tea are you sipping on? Yes, we have. Look. Yes, you see, so there's definitely an energy of gossip in the air. Every best friend has a best friend. The proverb today is every best friend has a best friend. So this is a reminder. Just be mindful of how much you share, how much you put out there, because there's an energy of that could, and that messages could be passed on. Okay, so be mindful that be mindful of friendships or discussions with others. Okay, and I feel like this could also be discussions in the workplace, discussions in that you may have, especially if you're working on something. The Four of Pentacles is just saying, just to hold back, to keep back what you anything that you have at this time, that it's still like you're still working on it. It might still not be in fruition yet. Perhaps you're still getting your head around it, building that confidence around it. Just take your time, okay? All right. And also with the Hierophant, the message that's coming through, it could also be if there's an area where you're not feeling so confident in, take that time to seek advice, or maybe for advice from elders or someone who is experienced in that particular field, okay, so that they can help you on your way, okay? Now, let's have a message now from a love interest. Let's see what a message from a love interest wants you to know right now. And what's the gossip on you? Okay, message from your love interest. Ooh, we have every time I see you, every time I see you, my heart does a little dance. Ooh, wait, okay. Your presence always brings a sense of calm and comfort. My heart races whenever you are near, okay? Whenever you are near. Any more? On what is the gossip on you? What is the gossip on you? What is the gossip on you? Any more messages? Oh, yes. Thank you. So we have every glance you give me is a symphony. So there's a clue. This person, okay, there could be a glance or a glint, like a stare that you both give, okay? Could be like a quick, like 5 seconds, and then, or even 2 seconds, okay? The sound of your voice brings me comfort to my heart like a lullaby to a child. Now, we did see that child energy with the sun, okay? So it could be someone who wants to make a confession to you. Your presence lights up my day. Ooh la la. Every encounter is another clue. Every encounter with you leaves me wanting more. Ooh la la. And we're going to leave you with a message from their higher self, or just see what wants to come through from the higher self. We've already got messages from the higher self, okay? So it could be a message from the divine masculine to the divine feminine, being you, okay? Let's have a look. We have, I imagine a future with you, and it fills me with hope and excitement. Ooh la la, your beauty, both inside and out, captivates me endlessly. Ooh la la. My late night thoughts involve thinking about you and holding you and kissing you. Ooh la la. I value your opinions and insights more than you realize. So we're going to leave you here and say, collect the message come through to that collective who, these messages that are coming through. Let it help the collective to know who this person could be. Let it come through intuitively. So take the messages where it resonates and leave the rest. I saw it go. I saw it go. It just simply means this is how it goes around here. It's Jamaican patois, but this is how it goes around here. Simple as that. So thank you for stopping by. Do have a look at all of the readings available at Wagwan Tarot and Tea. And just be sure to keep sipping, stay hydrated, feel good, look good, and we'll see you on the next one. Wagwan. Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan generals. So we're on pile 2 and we're exploring what is the gossip on you. Ooh la la. So if you are new here, welcome, welcome. Big up yourselves every time. And to our subscribers, big up, big up, big up every time. So please like and subscribe to Wagwan Tarot and Tea. Come and join the Love and Light family. All right, so let's get straight into it. We're going to just bring in some good energy into the reads, okay? We always like to show gratitude, okay, because that's how we move around here. So thank you, universe. Thank you, universe. Thank you, spirit guides. Thank you, guardian angels. Thank you, ancestors, okay, for the messages we're about to receive today. May these messages resonate with the collective so they can use these messages to strengthen their intuition and to use their discernment every time. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So what is the gossip on you? For the collective who chose pile 2, what is the gossip on you? We're going to see whatever wants to come out. What is the gossip on you? What? Ooh, we have. We for the collective who chose pile two, okay? We see a lot of opportunities coming your way. However, there's an energy of like you might be doubting yourself. You might be looking at all of the your progress you've made and could be like questioning, should I continue? This message is saying, yes, you need to keep going. Okay, don't look at the, oh, but I don't have this and I don't have that going on. Keep on going. And if you are there working on your self-love and building your confidence and your self-esteem, keep going, because there's going to be lots of opportunities coming your way. And as you keep building and working on yourself, you then bring yourself into alignment with someone who matches that energy. Okay. Ooh, okay. There's also this energy of, in terms of career, money. Okay, focusing on your goals, focusing on your ambitions. I feel like it's also taking time to focus on your dreams and things that you wish to aspire to. Keep on going. Now, the energy in terms of the gossip now that's coming through is that you may have people around you maybe trying to give some advice, but however, it's kind of like advice that could be trying to deter you from pushing ahead. Now, I feel like that could be a lot of projection, okay, because it could also be these their own fears, okay, that are coming out, okay. Perhaps it could be like a parent or a friend, or I feel like of some sort that could be maybe things may have not worked out for them, and when they do try to give advice, it's always kind of in a place of fear, okay? But I feel like the message is saying, keep on going, okay? Keep on going. If it is somebody, if it isn't a working environment or of some sort, it could be this energy that perhaps you have this itchy feet that you want a change. And I feel like the message is saying, you know, there could be many opportunities for you. You just got to believe, okay? The song that's coming through is the song from There Can Be Miracles When You Believe. Oh, hope is frail. It's hard to kill. It's hard to kill. It's hard to kill. Okay? That's what you've got to remember. There can be miracles when you believe. Okay? Big up Whitney and Mariah Carey. I'll cry. So, let's have a look. Look at this. You have the Ten of Cups. What are you waiting for? Look at this. Look at this, pile two. Keep on going. Plenty of opportunities are coming ahead. Yes, you might have people around you gossiping and saying, oh, but it don't look like anything is going on for you, okay? Not nah, gwan. And that simply means nothing is going for you, okay? In Jamaican patois, I don't seem like anything is happening. Don't worry, don't fear, because plenty of things are happening for you. And there's also plenty of opportunities in love if you want it. Again, everybody have free will. So, if you're interested, there is an offer here, all right? But we also have this energy. You see, look at this energy with the Five of Cups in reverse. This could be this energy you're going to start seeing. You're going to start seeing the opportunities, the blessings around you. Again, there can be miracles when you believe. Okay? Ooh, wee. All right. Look at that. So, we are now going to pull out a Jamaican proverb and see what wants to come through for the collective. What is the gossip on you? What is the gossip on you for pile two? What is the gossip? Ooh, we have two. Okay. We have to see me and live with me are two different things. To see me and live with me are two different thing. Are two different thing. They're two different somethings. They're two different things. Okay. So this is the energy, and I feel like this is what was coming through. Okay, someone might want to tell you, but they don't know. They don't know your ins and outs. They don't know everything. Okay, and I feel like it's where it's kind of saying to be mindful of how much how much advice you take and where you take and where it needs to stop. Okay, because again, I feel like there's an energy of there could be some energy of projection. Okay, it's not your feelings, it's their feelings, but perhaps you could be also very empathetic. So then you might not realize that you are adopting their feelings and it's not really your feelings. Okay, I hope that's making sense. So things are not always what it seems, so just be aware. Take that time to know yourself and know what it is that you want. Okay, all right, because look at this. Look at this. This is the energy of good vibrations. Okay, coming your way. Ay, 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 ay. And we have the alligator lays egg, but he's not. The alligator is not a fowl. The alligator is not a bird. The alligator is not a poultry. Okay, it doesn't have wings, but it can lay eggs. This is the energy of viewing things from different perspectives. Again, you might have people, naysayers, gossipers around you, but don't view things from one perspective. Keep yourself open, broaden your horizon, think outside the box, and reflect, okay, before you can make a decision, okay, that can maybe deter what it is that you truly want and desire, okay? Ooh la la. So now we're gonna just have a look and see some messages from a love interest. Okay, let's see what messages wanna come through for a love from a love interest. What is the gossip on you? Okay, for the collective who chose pile two. What is the gossip on you? Just let it shuffle, okay? I'm gonna bring in our little shuffle baby song. Shuffle baby. Shuffle, baby, yeah. Shuffle, baby, yeah. Shuffle, baby, yeah. Ooh, yes, part two. We got some messages, yeah. All right, let's have a look and see what is kind of coming through. Can you feel the electricity between us two? Ooh, okay. Could be a crush, could be a current love interest, someone from your recent past. Our conversations are my favorite part of the day, but they have a lot of love here. Okay. I feel like look what's behind it, the five of swords. I feel like the five of swords is saying don't sabotage anything. Just embrace the moment. Just enjoy the moment. Feel good, okay? There's a song coming through. Feel good. Yeah. Feel good. You just need to focus on feeling good, okay? Ooh, I can't remember the name of the band. It's an R&B band, but if you do know, put it in the comments down below, okay? I think it might be Tony Tone. Right, the softness in your voice gives me an enigmatic sense of comfort. Ooh la la. The way you speak about your dreams, it makes me want to be a part of them. Look at this. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. You see, don't give up on your dreams, okay? Don't give up on your dreams. I secretly hope you feel the same chemistry between us. It could be a secret crush, a secret love interest. Oh la la. You have a unique charisma that draws me in. Look at this. Don't be doubting yourself. Don't be doubting yourself. You got the good. You got the good. You got the good going on. Your voice has a rhythm that soothes my soul. Ooh, this person thinks highly of you, collective. Seeing your name on my phone. Okay, seeing your name on my phone screen always brings a smile to my face. Ooh, wee. We have here, when you are near, everything else seems to just fade away. I love seeing you being passionate about the things that you love. So this person really admires you. They have a lot of admiration for you. I imagine what it would be like to hold your hand and to hug you tightly. Oh my. Ay, ay, ay. Ooh la la. So last but not least, we're going to have a look at some messages from the high self. Let's see what messages want to come through. Could be from messages from the divine masculine, from your love interest. Just let's have a look and see what's to come through. What is the gossip on you for the collective who chose power 2? What is the gossip? Ooh, we having some flyaways. Okay, any more? Last shuffle. Okay, yeah, last shuffle. Okay, thank you. Just gonna quickly pick up the one on the floor. Yay! Right. Yes. Right, we are here. Sparkling eyes. So there's a message. Sparkling eyes. We have, I can't help but feel a sense of protectiveness towards you. Again, there's definitely somebody who has a lot of respect for you. I appreciate the way you challenge me to grow and evolve. There could be distinctive tattoos. Perhaps you have distinctive tattoos, or this person may have something have distinctive tattoos. If it's not distinctive tattoos, perhaps it could be a piercing. It could be a distinctive like facial features. Okay, it could be their voice. It could be their eyebrows, their eyes. Okay, the thought of being without you is something that I've worried about. So there could be an energy, okay, perhaps of the love interest, the crush, or someone from the past that is wanting to try and return, okay. I am amazed by your resilience in the face of adversity. So this person has been watching, okay, and observing and is like really loving all those parts of you, okay. I get nervous around you because my feelings are real. Who has been showing you this awkwardness around you? Where your intuition has just been something's going wrong here, something's wrong here, or something's a bit odd here. What's going on? What's going on? Okay. I wish I could express how much you mean to me. So this person does want to express how much you mean to them. So we're gonna leave it here. Take the messages that resonate and leave the rest. Okay, I saw it go around here. This simply means in Jamaican patois, this is how it goes around here. Simple as that. So thank you for stopping by. Keep sipping, stay blessed, look good, feel good. I will see you on the next one. Wagwan. Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan generals. So we're on pile 3, okay, and we're going to explore what is the gossip on you. So if you are new here, welcome, okay, come on in. And to our subscribers, big up yourselves every time. So hit that like button and come on and subscribe. Come and join the Love and Light family at Wagwan Tarot and Tea. Okay, we only deal with goodness around here. So come on, come join the Love and Light family. All right. So we're gonna look at what is the gossip on you. Okay, I'm sipping some peppermint tea. What are you sipping on today? Okay, for this mini picker card. So let's have a look now. We're just going to bring some good energy into the read. Thank you, universe. Thank you, spirit guides. Thank you, guardian angels. Thank you, ancestors, for the messages we're about to receive today. May these messages resonate with the collective who chose Pile 3 so they can use these messages to strengthen their intuition and to use their discernment every time. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, something's trying to pop through. Ay, 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 ay. What is the gossip on you? Woo! We have a King of Cups, so there could be somebody who's trying to come towards you. Okay, the song that's coming through is Jodeci, Forever My Lady. Ooh, Forever My Lady. Yes, indeed. Someone wants to come forward and confess their love to you. Okay, it's also on pound 3, so they 3 represents that energy of growth and expansion. Someone wants to grow. Okay, this connection. Okay. Ooh la la. Ooh, come in. Look at this. Yes, we have the death card. So it could be someone who wants to start anew. Okay. Someone really wants to start anew. Okay. And a new page. Okay. A new start. New leaf. Okay. We have the Knight of Wands. There could be this energy of wanting to move into, perhaps maybe it could be messages of flirtation, okay, that they want to step towards you. Now it feels like a lot of love heated messages, okay, but really this is where the energy of them being the king, but perhaps it could be, you know, trying to get you a bit hot under the collar, hot under the weather, ooh. Ooh la la. Okay, we're gonna keep it clean and classy. Keep it clean and classy. Okay. But I feel like also this could also be representing the energy of you taking pride and joy in everything that you do and wear it with love. Okay, if you've got your passions, your dreams, and things that you are working on, just add that tenderly loving care to it. But also what I'm getting with the masculine energy, because there seems to be a lot of masculine energy coming through, okay, is not to feel no way in expressing yourself and showing that self, showing yourself, okay, in the like showing your the lovey-dovey side of you, okay, especially when it comes to your passions, when it comes to the people you care about as well, okay. And I feel like the death is saying, this is an opportunity to start anew, okay. Let's have a look and see what's in the middle. Yes, we have the Emperor in reverse. And I feel like the Emperor in reverse is saying to really take that time to just work on. I feel like it's an energy of just to work on that confidence energy, okay? Because we can see this energy of the King of Cups, the Knight of Wands, is like to come forward with the passion and the desires, and it's this energy of like just stand firm in your confidence and not feel. We have to say it with power. Don't feel no way to go out there and talk about your passions, to step up, okay? Because I feel like there could also be this worry about maybe people gossiping on people doubt or wondering what you're doing, and don't let that hold you back. Stand firm. Stay, stay resilient, okay? You've got this. We got you, okay? New opportunities can come ahead, okay? So just believe in yourself, because there's an energy with the Emperor in reverse. The Emperor represents that energy of needing to be confident. Look at this with the Hermit again. The Hermit next to the Emperor. So it's definitely an energy of doubting. And we have the let's see what's behind it. Yes, the Page of Pentacles. So it's like an energy of you're good at something. However, there might be a worry or thinking, what is people going to think about me? The message that's coming through is saying, forget that. Don't worry about it. Okay, it's anti self love is really coming through very strongly, darling, honey. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Focus on yourself and know what you want, and let that run. Let that run. You hear that? That is you're not on no marathon with nobody. The only marathon you're on is yourself. All right, darling. All right, honey. Oh, all right. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Thank you, Auntie Self Love. You're welcome, darling. You're welcome, honey. Okay, so what Auntie Self Love was simply saying is don't worry about other people. Focus on yourself. Focus on your dreams. Focus on your ambitions, your intention. You're not in no marathon with anybody else. The only marathon you are on is with yourself. You are on your own journey. So let that be what you always remember. You are always on your own journey. Okay, you don't need to watch what other people are doing, and don't get caught up in the gossip and then all that kind of business. Just focus on what you doing, what is it you want, and let that run. Because look what we have here. We do have this energy of people gossiping and wondering. Don't let that deter you and stop you. Move. Move with this energy of passion. Okay. Also, there is somebody who wants to move towards you like that. But I feel like there's an energy of be confident. Step in that confident energy with the King of Cups. Yes, this is you. And don't feel no way about it. Ooh la la. There's a strong, passionate energy here. So let's have a look and see what the Jamaican proverb has for power three. What is the gossip on you? What is the gossip on you? What additional message we can have? Something was trying to come through. Okay, we have self-praise is no recommendation. Self-praise is no recommendation. Okay, so this is the message about I like but however, the message that's coming through, okay, in regards to this Jamaican proverb, this proverb relates to this kind of cockiness, ego. Okay, don't get caught up in your ego. However, when it comes to your passion and you saying, I'm good at this, there's nothing wrong with that. it's also the message that's coming through is be mindful how it is done in a kind of gossip way. Okay, perhaps there's people around you who's doing carrying that energy, not to get caught up in that energy. Remember, you're only in a marathon with yourself. Okay, so don't always be too quick to be boastful. Let others praise you. Okay, but I feel like more importantly, praise yourself by filling your cup with love, being open, being present, loving what you love. Okay, let's have a look. Look at this. The temperance is behind the death card. So you being at peace with you. Again, you are not in a marathon with others. You are in a marathon with yourself. Okay. All right. So now we're gonna look deeply into those love messages. Okay, and see what gossip wants to come through, or just messages from a love interest. Okay, let's see. Could be a crush, could be a current love interest, could be someone from your recent past. So for the collective, you chose pile 3. What is the gossip on you? Okay, right. Let's have a. I might have to have a sip of peppermint tea, bringing that energy. Mm-mm-mm. Okay, let's have a look. Let's see what's to come through with this peppermint tea. All right, 1 second. I just noticed a few messages. Some cards here. Oh, okay. I just see these cards here. I don't know, notice if it did fly because I had my eyes closed at the time. But we do have this energy of, look, with the Nine of Cups being here, the Nine of Cups being here, and the Eight of Pentacles. So there's an energy of, look, perhaps they may have, this energy of gossiping, but don't let that gossiping then play with your confidence, your self-esteem. Keep working on your projects, because it's gonna lots of good things are gonna come your way with the Chariot. This is an energy of your self-determination. You've got this. Okay, and I feel like this is why this energy is coming through heavily. Okay, so we're gonna just keep that here. All right. All right, so let's now have a look at love messages. Okay, love messages. What is the gossip on you? What is the gossip on you? Right, we're gonna bring in that shuffle, baby, because things wanted to come through. Okay, we can see things wanting to come through, but we're gonna put some power. And singing is a great way to bring energy in. So let's bring some energy through the singing. We're gonna sing Shuffle Baby. Shuffle baby. Shuffle, baby, yeah. Shuffle, baby, yeah. Shuffle, baby, yeah. Shuffle, baby. Shuffle, baby, yeah. Shuffle, baby, yeah. Shuffle, baby, yeah. Last shuffle. Thank you. Oh, it works every time. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. So let's have a look now and see what messages are there for you. We have, I find myself lost in thoughts of you, even in the middle of a hectic day. Ooh la la. Your presence always brings me a sense of calm and comfort. Our shared interest makes me feel closer to you. The song coming through by Maxi Priest. Okay, reggae artist. I just wanna be close to you and do all the things you want me to. I just wanna be close to you. Ooh la la. I wish I could tell you how much I admire your strength and intelligence. Okay, we have, I feel an undeniable connection with you that goes beyond words. The thought of you fills me with a sense of longing and anticipation. Ooh la la. Your smile is the first thing I notice every time I see you. My heart races whenever you are near. Your carefree laughter brings joy to my heart like a rainbow after the rain. Okay? Ooh la la. There's a sense of unspoken chemistry that makes our interaction exciting. Now, let the intuition just guide you to where you have felt this energy. Okay? Ay, 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 ay. The way you speak about your dreams makes me want to be a part of them. Look at that. Keep going. Stay passionate. I can't help but feel. You see? Don't you know how we were saying earlier? Don't feel no way. Look at this. When you don't feel no way, that energy transcends. I can't help but feel a rush of excitement every time I see your name pop up on my phone. Ay, 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 ay. There is a spark in your eyes that I find irresistible. Ooh la la. The depth of your eyes holds a universe I long to explore. Ooh wee wee. Ooh wee wee. So, last but not least, we are going to have a look and see what messages want to come through from the higher self. What is the gossip on you, baby? Let's have a look and see. Okay. Messages from the higher self could be from the divine masculine to the divine feminine. We want to see, or it could be from some more messages from the love interest. Let's see what wants to come through. Ooh wee. Any more? Ooh wee wee. We have some messages. Ooh la la. All right, let's have a look. So we have I can't help. But again, this energy about feeling. I can't help but feel a deep connection when you are in my presence. Okay? You can't, it's, ooh, wait. They can't help it. Your happiness is my top priority. I want to see you thrive. I want to see you thrive. The way you understand me without words is truly special. They're trying to give you some more clues here. Put it in the comments. Put it in the comments. Science and technology geek, okay? Let us know what's going on. Put it in the comments, baby. Your voice is like a beautiful melody that lingers in my mind. Ooh la la. We have here, you have a way of making even the simplest moments feel. Again, this energy about feeling. Okay, feeling good. Dimples. Dimples. There's a clue. Perhaps you have dimples. Okay, or they have dimples. Ooh la la. Strong. Ay, 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 ay. Strong and capable hands. Now we're going to keep it clean and classy, but they definitely have this energy of wanting to provide, wanting to be strong, wanting to be there for you. La la. Hey, look at this again. Ay, 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 ay. My late night thoughts involve thinking about you, holding you, and kissing you. Ooh, wait. Ooh, wait. And look what we have here. Mesmerizing voice. Ooh, wee. Hey. Collective, take the messages that resonate and leave. We have to say it with power. Leave the rest. Asoiga. Asoiga. This is Jamaican power and it simply means this is how it goes around here. Okay? Simple as that. So thank you for stopping by. Okay, be sure to give us a like and a subscribe if you haven't already. But keep sipping, stay hydrated, look good, feel good, and to have a look at all of the readings available at Wagwan Tarot and Tea. And we'll see you next time. Big up yourselves and Wagwan.